If the pistol fails to fire, immediate action must be taken to correct the fault. Look at the position of the slide and take the following immediate action as applicable. The slide to the rear indicates an empty magazine. Change the magazines and resume firing. Slide forward or partially forward. Pull slide fully to the rear and look inside. If there are rounds in the magazine and no loose rounds or empty cases in the body or chamber, release the slide and resume firing. If there are rounds in the magazine and there is a live round or empty casing in the body or chamber, tilt the pistol to the right and shake the obstruction out. Release the slide and continue firing. If the obstruction cannot be removed by shaking, remove the magazine and dislodge the obstruction manually by locking the slide to the rear and using the cleaning rod located in the holster.